Hi guys, and welcome back to this journey towards excellent exam results. In these shorter revision videos, we are going to be breaking down different concepts within the GCSE Geography specification. The aim of this is to help us understand the concepts better and to give us the information and confidence we need to answer examination questions. In today's video, we are going to be talking about the natural causes of past climate change. This is covered in all the GCSE Geography specifications. Okay, let's get started. We are now going to look at climate change, and our specification requires us to know about climate change from a historical perspective, as well as know about present climate change. Now, as far as causes of climate change in the past are concerned, we are going to start off with volcanic eruptions. So normally, if there is a large volcanic eruption, it's going to emit a lot of ash and dust, which will then go into the atmosphere. And as it moves up to the atmosphere, it will eventually get to the stratosphere, which is the layer above the cloud layer. And once there, that ash and dust is going to be spread around the world by very high speed winds. And as this happens, obviously, it's going to create a layer that is going to block or to stop some of the sun's light and radiation from getting to the earth. And that can lower the earth's temperatures. Okay, so and then now the second cause of past climate change in the past is asteroid collisions. So large asteroid collisions strike the Earth every 500,000 years, and the impact they cause blasts a lot of ash and dust into the atmosphere as well. And again, this has a similar effect to volcanic eruptions because that ash and dust will then go up to the stratosphere and then be moved by those high-speed winds and block the sun's light and create lower temperatures. Now, the third one, or the third cause of past climate change, is the sunspot theory. So sunspots are black areas on the sun's surface, and they increase or decrease through 11-year cycles. So when we have more sunspots, the sun becomes a lot more active than normal, leading to higher temperatures, which means that during those periods when the earth, when the sun has got a lot more sunspots, the earth is going to be a lot warmer than the periods when the sun has got less sunspots. Okay, now the fourth one is the Milankovitch cycles. And these are changes to the Earth's orbit around the sun, and they can occur in three main ways. So sometimes the Earth's orbit can change from being circular to elliptical. Now, if you think about it, the circle will have a smaller radius or diameter, if you like, as compared to an elliptical shape, because an elliptical shape is a lot more oval. Now, obviously, when the Earth's orbit changes from circular to elliptical, then it means that the Earth may be either further away from the sun or closer to the sun. And as a result, we are going to either have a warmer climate or a colder or cooler one. Then the second way within the Milankovitch cycles is the Earth's the Earth's axis can tilt. So the tilt of the Earth's axis. So it can tilt from being more upright to being more on its side. And this again, when this again happens, some areas are going to be either farther away or closer to the sun, and as a result, you'll have either cooling or cooler conditions or warmer conditions. Then thirdly, we have the Earth's wobble within the Milankovitch cycles. So when the Earth wobbles again, either you can have some parts of the Earth being farther away or closer to the sun, and as a result, you'll have either cooler or warmer conditions. So these three changes can lead to different amounts of sunlight being received here on Earth, and therefore the Earth either cooling or warming. That brings us to the end of this video on the natural causes of past climate change. I hope that you have found the information insightful and useful. I have also done a video on the evidence used to determine past climate. It will be linked in the description below and will also pop up as a suggested video at the end of this one. Thanks once again for joining in this journey towards excellent exam results. All the best and see you again soon. Bye-bye.